Hello, good morning. See, I was thinking several times I was reported by my clients that suddenly banks are charging exorbitant interest, increasing it so moto. So I thought the complaint should be preferred to Ombudsman, Reserve Bank, etc., etc. But after perusing this judgment, I understand that the Consumer Protection Act 2019 and section 49 class 2 and 59 class 2, the interest, if the transaction between the person who obtained loan and the bank, if there is any untrade practice, you can approach consumer redressal forum also. Therefore, you note this judgment, AR 2024 Supreme Court 1305. AR 2024 Supreme Court 1305, Rajesh Monga versus Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited and others. Therein, he seems to have filed a complaint challenging that the bank recovered heavy interest by increasing its so moto. The facts and other things you can go through the judgment, but the judgment was not in favor of the complainant because the Supreme Court held that they have not proved the untrade practice by substantial evidence. But the drafting was good, but unfortunately it was not proved. Several consumer cases of Supreme Court were discussed, but the maintainability of the petition before Consumer Forum was upheld. You can file a complaint before the Consumer Redressal Forum because the National Commission's order was affirmed by the Supreme Court. This is AR 2024 Supreme Court 1305, Rajesh Monga versus Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited and others. So go through the judgment. Best wishes.